With the shipping industry evolving and the global trade landscape changing, there is a pressing need for India to adopt a more comprehensive and understandable law that aligns with international standards. The Bills of Lading Bill 2025 will rename the existing law, the Bills of Lading Act 2025, and include several key reforms. The new legislation aims to simplify the language and reorganize provisions without altering their underlying substance. It also empowers the central government to issue directions to facilitate the law's implementation, along with an inclusion of a standard repeal and saving clause, while eliminating the colonial legacy of the 1856 Act. The passing of the Bills of Lading Bill 2025 in Parliament is a significant step in fulfilling Prime Minister Modi's vision of modernizing India's legal framework, making it more relevant, modern, accessible, and free from colonial legacies that have long hindered our progress. This bill, which replaces the outdated Indian Bills of Lading Bill Act 1856, eliminates archaic provisions and aligns India's maritime laws with global standards, enabling smoother and more secure shipping practices. These changes will bring numerous benefits, including streamlined business processes, reduced litigation risks, and improved clarity for carriers, shippers, and lawful holders of goods. The updates are expected to foster a more efficient and reliable shipping environment. So let's simplify this bill for our viewers with simple Q&As. What is the Bills of Lading Bill? Well, a Bills of Lading is a legal document used in international shipping, acting as proof that goods have been loaded onto a vessel and specifying the terms of transport. The Bills of Lading Bill 2025 replaces the Indian Bills of Lading Act of 1856, ensuring a modern, transparent, and efficient framework for shipping transactions. What are the key features of the bill? Modernization. It replaces colonial era provisions with a more structured and simplified framework. Enhanced business efficiency. Streamlines shipping documentation, reducing litigation risks and legal disputes. It establishes clear guidelines for carriers, shippers, and consignees. Alignment with global standards. Adopts international best practices to boost India's role in global maritime trade.